Hello everyone! We are from Dopamin Export Indonesia that service rattan webbing worldwide. On the previous video, we already have Q&A rattan webbing, you can see here. And now, we're going to have the part 2 Q&A rattan webbing. I am Wais and
I am Rizkika.
Okay, maybe overview the last video we have first.
On the previous video, we already explained about what kind of rattan webbing. Rattan webbing is a webbing made from the rattan. There are two types. Mostly, majority people use the materials of the rattan for the furniture. For the first one is kubu rattan, and then the second one is manau rattan. The kubu rattan is used for rattan webbing. It is a small one rattan webbing, and then we take the skin and we make the rattan webbing. For the manau rattan, it's a bigger one, big rattan, and it cannot use for the rattan webbing, but mostly used for the part, like a big part of the furniture, not rattan webbing. And then the other kind of the question we have before on the previous video, we already mentioned three kinds of the rattan webbing: the open hexagonal, the square one, and then the closed one.
Okay, let's go to the first question. How many grades of rattan webbing?
Usually rattan webbing has two grades. People say difference. I mean, like some people say AA, AB, BB, AB, BC. That's different. For our company, we say A grade and B grade for the export. For the export, usually people not always need A grade, but some also can buy B grade. We produce the best quality even it's for the B grade. What's the difference from A grade and B grade from our company? We just make a difference from the color. For the B grade, usually has the greenish part of the rattan webbing, but the color will change to the yellow one to more mature color along the way. So it's okay to buy B grade because the quality also good, and the color, the greenish one, will change to be more natural color, yellow one. And the grade B usually has only 3 to 5% of the rattan. The skin is a little bit has like black spots, but for the A grade they don't have.
Okay, let's go to the second question. Can you please explain the price for rattan webbing?
To identify the price, actually based on the size, based on the type of the rattan, the open one, the square one, or the closed one, it is different, the change. For example, you would like to buy like 45 centimeters of the open webbing and then 45 centimeters for the closed webbing, the price it will be different. So the price based on the type of the rattan webbing and the size of the rattan webbing. But for our company, if you buy more quantity of the rattan webbing, we will give the better price, the cheaper price than the price for only a small quantity. And then on the previous video, you already watched like three kinds of the rattan webbing, three types of the rattan webbing. The open one is more expensive than the other rest two types of the rattan webbing. For the first more expensive one is the open one, the square one, and then the cheaper one is the closed one. Why is the closed one is more cheaper than square and open? Because this closed one cannot use for the furniture actually, like because it's from the soft kubu rattan. It is only used for the sailing and for maybe the other purpose, but it's not like a very strong and very hard to use for the furniture because it's soft and then it's still a little bit wet, so the price is much cheaper and then it's easier to make than the square and the open. And then the second one, more expensive a little bit than the closed one, is square one. Why square is in the middle range of the price? Because the square webbing is easier to make than the open one. The open one is more difficult, complicated, a little bit complicated to make, and that's why the open one is the most expensive one than square and open.
Okay, let's go to the third question. Why people should buy rattan webbing from Dopamin Export Indonesia?
People should buy rattan webbing from Dopamin Export Indonesia because we produce the best quality of the rattan webbing. For the raw material, we go to the small island to take the rattan materials directly from the tree, and we choose the best materials for the rattan webbing. So the materials is the best one. It's not like we buy it from the supplier of the rattan material like already leftover options, but we directly go to choose and to select the best quality ones from the tree, and we make the rattan webbing. So the quality is the best ones. And also we offer affordable and competitive price from the other supplier.
Okay, that's the part 2 of Q&A rattan webbing from us.
If you are looking for a supplier of rattan webbing, we are ready to supply rattan webbing to you. This is our contact person.
See you on another series of Q&A. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.